A unique place to visit in Qatar, the Dal El Masfir sinkhole. Dal El Masfir is an ancient natural formation growing deep into the ground. At 40 meters deep, Dal El Masfir is considered the largest and deepest yet accessible cave in Qatar. It is believed to have been formed 325,000 to 500,000 years ago during the mid-Pleistocene era. Dal El Masfir located about 50-minute drive away from central Doha. Since the cave is in the desert, GPS will be required to locate it. Once in the vicinity, look for wire fencing surrounding the site. The drive involves off-road driving from Salwa Road and Radat Rasht Road. Visitors should dress appropriately and wear suitable footwear for hiking, is recommended as the cave comprises of rocks. Nearby attractions are the Aqua Park Qatar, which is located near the caves, with fun for the entire family, while Khor Al Udia, the inland sea, and the Singing Sand Dunes offer further adventure at this site where the sea enters deep into the desert. See you in the next video. Bye.